Hi everyone, back in my studio just finishing the final steps of the painting. So today I'm going to put the hardware on and then also write the title and size and medium on the back. So let's get started. So I like using these D-rings. It's a small ring on the end there and a hole for the screw. Now I've measured down 6 inches. This is 24. I like to do about a quarter to a third of the measurement. And you don't want to use too big a screw because this piece of wood could split. And you want to get these lined up just on the edge where they fold over. Okay, so the next thing we do is measure the wire across. We want some slack in it so it's easy to hang and enough to pull through and give a few twists. So what I like to do is to come through and wrap it around an extra time just to prevent any slippage that might occur. Get this side on. Now I'm going to measure this so it's even at 2.5 inches from the top, and the reason I'm doing that is because that's where the other ones that this is potentially going to be hung beside are. So that makes the hanging easy if all the wires are in the same place. And then I'm just twisting that around. I have quite a bit of excess there. I'll trim that off. And now I'll do this side. So this is a coated wire, which I prefer. It's all that I use anymore. It's just easier to work with and it saves getting those wires in your fingers as much. Okay, so there we go with that. Let's clip this one off. All right, so you can see there's some slack there, makes it easy to hang. Now, across the top, I like to write I often put the inventory number, but I haven't assigned it yet, so I'm going to start by putting my name. The title of the painting. It wasn't the, it's just lady in the green dress. Oh dear. So lady in the green dress. And then I like to put the size. When you're putting the size, always do the way it's hanging first. So the length, so that's 24 inches by 18 inches. The medium is acrylic. And UV varnish. So there you can see all the information that is on the back. And the reason I do that is so that when you ship work, it's easy for them to identify it. This one is pretty self-explanatory because it is the lady in the green dress. But if it wasn't so easy, then it's helpful to have that, plus the medium on the back. And I did put in this case that I have used a UV varnish. So I hope that was helpful for you. It's not that difficult, but these are by far the best and easiest things to use, I've found, the D-rings and the covered wire. Okay, see you soon.